Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change when the computer sleeps on your Windows 11 PC. So we can go down to search right here and just type in power and choose a power plan. Now under here, we can just go to change plan settings, or on the left, we can go to change when the computer sleeps. That shows up and it'll bring us to this page regardless of what we pick. And then we can go to on battery or plugged in. So if you're just plugged in all the time, you can go to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, never, 5 hours as an option. So if you want to change when your computer goes to sleep, when I have it plugged in, I have it set to 20 minutes. On battery, it's set to 10 minutes. Maybe I can reduce it down to 5 minutes and just go to save changes right here. And that is how you can change the sleep timer, basically. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.